Welcome back to Cooking Bad with Dad. Today we're going to make some homemade brownies. Well, let's go ahead and get started here. We're going to make some homemade brownies. Well maybe not. We'll just make some brownies out of a box and make them taste like homemade. Eggs, water, and vegetable oil. I don't have any vegetable oil, so we're going to use butter instead. And I only got one egg, so we're going to have to fly by the seat of our pants and hope for the best. Now this is Cooking Bad with Dad. A couple of tablespoons of water. Put that in here. Egg. Now, I'm supposed to have two, but I got one. Get this butter, incorporate it with the eggs and water. Break the egg up a little bit, get it mixed. Otherwise you're going to have to mix it later. Anyway, put a little tiny bit of peppermint extract. Just a tiny bit for flavor. Hands. Thank you, hands. About it. Ain't gonna need much. Everything can mix together. Now let's go ahead and add the flour or the mix. You can try one. Oh, thank you. Mix the whole thing. Then we just go ahead and mix it into a nice thick batter. Yeah, get it all incorporated. There's a lot of this. You can smell the mint. Interesting aroma. Try it, make sure you get everything mixed well. Now we got to grease the pan. Yeah, I'm going to put a little lard in there. Could have used butter, I guess. Okay, now we put it in the pan. Forgot to heat the oven up. This is thick and nice, and it gives you, kids something to lick up in the pan, in the bowl. And what kid doesn't want to clean out the bowl? And old guys like me.
What are you doing?
Oh, we back? Oh. I gotta go clean my hands now. Oh. Well, we're gonna take this Smucker's fudge. We're going to swirl it into the fudge. Here, hands. I already tried. I can't get it open. What's what? Oh, I missed some. how much we're going to need, but we'll try a little bit. Make it nice and gooey. There. Nobody saw that, right? Boy, that's good stuff. We got in here. Our oven just come to temp, so we can put it in the oven now. They're 45 to 42. Oh, I couldn't read it. I had to have hands or look at the number. We'll see you when it's done. Just gonna pull it. There. Now let's get this thing out. Boy, it looks good. We'll get back to you when it's when we get a chance to taste it. Now let's try cutting this thing up. Yeah, a little loose. That won't take two. We want to add just a little bit more chocolate to it. I need hands. Nope. Maybe. Come here, hands. Thank you, hands. Let's just put a little drizzle on here. Ooh, looks good. I like the crusties on the edge. Yummy. Good tasting. With only one egg. Can't beat that. Well, there's a whole lot of ways you can make box brownies taste good. We use a little mint and some chocolate fudge, but you could probably use little cherries in it, or you can add chocolate chips or nuts, and put whipped cream on it. And oh yeah, and you could probably do peanut butter. It probably tastes pretty good with peanut butter. Be like having a Reese's. Thanks for watching Cooking Bad with Dad, and we'll see you next time.